Hi teachers, in today's video I will tell you how to create an exam from the Pearson Realize tool. For example, as you can see here, this is my Realize account. I go to Science, here Tools, Assessment Download Center, click on Assessment Download Center. Once you will click on Assessment Download Center, then open in new windows, and here instructions for downloads, but what you will download, let's see, Windows Test Bank, Exam View Content, this one, Windows Test Bank, this one, Exam View Content window is here, let it complete downloading. Once the downloading is complete, I'll open the file from here, this one, Exam View Content file, and then extract all, extract it at the same place. Here, Setup, click on the Setup. Exam View Publisher Content, then click on Yes. Next. Modify, leave that. Next, and install. Once the installation is finished, you will see these three icons on your desktop. So we will open Exam View Test Generator, this one. Here I will enter my email address and the password, but if you don't have account, create a free account, this one. We will choose this option. It will open a new window here. Get started here. Don't have an account? Yes, we don't have account, so we will start from here. Get started here. Enter your email which is working, okay, or sign in somewhere, maybe in your computer or in your mobile. So you will get a link. I'll choose this one. Yes, I'm not robot. So next here, the email is already used because I use this email. So once I will click on next, so they will send me an email with the link. I will open that link and I will set my password or some data there, means username or these type of things. Once I will done here, so I will enter that email here. I'm not gonna hide my email, so if you have any question, you can ask me through my email. So here I will enter my password. Let's see. So processing is here. It's going to open my Exam View Test Builder. So let's start. Create a new test here and give title to your test. For example, I'm gonna give Science 1 title. Next, here, these are your lessons. Pearson Elevate Science Earth, for example, means your books, and then from here I will choose weather in the atmosphere, this lesson topic, this one. I select it, then I'll click on the select and then next. Here, multiple choice, multiple response, blah blah blah, blah, short answer, essay, and these which one you want. Yeah, so what we will do, we will numbers to select. I will click select all and then go to next. Here it's going to provide me all these questions, and click the finish button here, and this is my exam or the quiz or whatever you want. Next, HTML exam view question, blah 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 blah. I will choose HTML here, export as study guide, or show rotation, export as test. So export as study guide, but if you want to export as test, so it will create a link and you can send to your students and they can follow. Let me first export as study guide. Click OK, and where I will download it, for example here, test guide. Science 1. I save it here. Let's go here. Test guide, exam 1. I'm gonna open here in this, and you can see here, this is your file. You can copy paste on your Word document or whatever you want. Where is the name? You can enter your name here, the question. They can choose options from here, like that.